Right, children, welcome back. We've got it's day 31 of the ICT Games Daily Dollop of Maths, keeping the math skills bubbling over while we can't be in school for year 1 and year 2. Please be sat with an adult. Please have a piece of paper and a pencil ready. Please could you also have, if possible, ask an adult for some 1p's, 2p's, 5p's and 10p's, please. Possibly a 20, but I think mostly 1p, 2p, 5p and 10p. Please, and then also please call out, join in, and love your mistakes. Here we go. So we're going to count in twos first. Off we go. Join in, please. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Okay, let's go again. This time I'll just make little noises so you can join in with the rhythm, but I want you to say the actual amount. Count in twos. How much is there? Oh, there we go. 18p. Good job. Okay, right. Let's do that again with that switched off. Okay. What's the value of that? How much is there? Yeah, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 twos. Well, if I look at my times tables, 2, 6 times 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That'll be 12. Whoops. There's 12p there, I reckon. Fantastic. There is 12p there. Okay, let's have another go. Let's do 5. Oh no, let's do tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. What happens when you get to when you add another 10 to 90? What's going to happen? What do you reckon? It's going to be 100, that's right. But 100p is the same as £1. This is the pound sign. That means that we're now dealing in pounds, and we've got 1 whole pound and 0 pence. So if I get rid of all of that now, this is worth the same amount. £1. Okay, right, let's start at a different number now. Let's start at that number. What's that number? Oh, okay. That's 7p. And we're going to be adding tens each time, like this. Hang on, so start at 7, 17, 27, and it'll be a bit like this. Look, when we started at 7 and added and counted in 10, 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, it'll be like that. Okay, let's take those off. So we're starting at 7. I might just move that over there. 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97. What's going the next? If I add another 10, what's it going to be then? Yeah, it's going to be 107, isn't it? Let me just have a quick look over here. 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97, 107. But how we write that with money is we write £1 and 7p. £1 and 7 pence. Okay, now let's have a look. So let's have a look at this. Okay, now I've spent this much money, and then I spent this much money. How much is going to be here? That's your part. That's your part. What's the whole? So let's have a look first. 2 and 2 is 4. 5 and 2 is 7. Add one more is 8. So 4 add 8 we're doing. What's 4 add 8? 8 is a bigger number. Put 8 in your head and count on 4. Yeah, I'll just put a little 0 over the top to hide it. It's 12. Good job, guys. Let's try the next one. So I went to the shops and I spent that much. And then I spent that much. How much is this one worth? Yes, 11p. I'm sorry I can't do the p's. It's a shame we haven't got p's on there. And we spent this much. Oops, sorry. Okay. how much is there altogether? If I spent both of those, how much did I spend altogether? Yes, 21. There's 2 10s there. 21p. Let's try another one. Okay, I spent this much and then I spent that much. How much did I spend altogether? 10 add 2 is 14. Good job. 14p. Shame I can't write the p. Add 10. 14p. Add 10 that I spent on something else. 14 add 10. Yes, 24. Let's just go back to here a minute. What you could think of is you could think there's 14. If you're adding 10, 24. Okay. Let's go on to the next one. Oh, that's a bit tricky. I spent this much and then I spent this much. How much did I spend altogether? Well, 10 add 5 is 15. 2 more than 15 is, yeah, 17. And then this coin is worth 20. Now, 17 add 20. Let's just go back to the number square a minute. There's 17. Add 20. Add 1 10. Add another 10. We think it's 37. Let's have a look. Is that going to be 37? Yes, it is. Good job, guys. Okay. Right, now, I go to the shops, and fish are 5p. Cheap fish. And balloons are 2p. Super cheap balloons. Okay, now I buy 3 balloons, and I buy 1 fish. How much do I spend in total? So, now, I've got a bar model here. So we're trying to work out how much I spent all together. How much did I spend altogether? I bought 3 balloons. Do you know what would be nice if these were the similar colours? There we go. No, I can't do blue. Anyway, never mind. Right, 3 balloons. How much were the balloons each? They were 2p each, so they were 2p. 2p. It's quite nice to keep using the p to remember to say p when you write the answer at the end, you see. So 2p add 2p add 2p. And how much was the fish? The fish was 5p. Okay. How much did I spend all together? Well, I know that 2 add 2 add 2. I know that's 6. So I'm now going to do 6 add 5 in my head. Yeah, fantastic. That's 11p. Good job, guys. I spent 11p. Okay. Final game for the day. So, I'm playing Pay For It. And we're going to pay for things up to a value of 20 pence.
You're the customer. You have to scan the items and pay for it with the right money.
Oh, I've just seen there's a bug there. Let's go back.
You're the customer. You have to scan the items and pay for it with the right money.
I'll fix that later. Okay. The duck costs 14p. How am I going to pay 14p? With your coins, how could you pay 14p for me now with your coins in front of you? Yeah, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to think 4. So I'm going to make 4 out of 2 2s. And then I'm going to think that means 110. So 14p. Thank you. Oh, some pasta. Yummy. Pasta's 20p. How could you pay 20p? But let's pretend we haven't got a 20p coin. What could you do? Yeah, I'm going to count in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. You're welcome. Thank you very much. Oh, some flour. Do some baking. 9p. With your coins, how could you pay 9p? Pay 9p now for me. Yeah, I think I'm going to go a 5. Add 2 is 7. Add 2 is 9. Oh, a spaceship. Okay. 13p. With your coins, how would you pay 13p? Pay 13p for me. I think I'm going to look at the place value. That 3, I'm going to make 3. And then this 1 here, I'm going to make, this 1 means 10, so I'll make 10 with that. So 10 add 3, that's 13p. Last one. Oh, sandwich. Oh, I love a sandwich. 11p. How could you pay 11p with your coins? Off you go. Yeah, I think I'm going to try and push myself. I think I'm going to go 5 and 5 to make the 10. And one more. 11p. Yay, fantastic. Right, guys, super job today. It's a short one today, only 10 minutes. So let's have a look. What's your prize today? You get on your bike a button. And that button, when you press it, a funnel comes out of your back, over the top of your back wheel, and it drops sweets. So all your friends can cycle behind you and catch sweets as they cycle behind you. Brilliant. Have a nice day. Thanks for your time. See you next time.